Danny Brown here. Hey, got another product review for you. This one's going to be really short. It's called Fan Page Cash Flow. I'm going to tell you what I think about this, then I'm going to tell you what I think you should do, okay? So hang with me for a minute. Now, this product comes out on January 30th, again called Fan Page Cash Flow. Now, there's not much to tell because the sales page is not out yet, and the price is not even listed anywhere. So, I've been digging around looking for the price, haven't been able to find it, so I don't know what's up with that. So this is not really so much a review as it is just a heads up that it's coming out. It's by Matthew Neer and James Lewis. I don't know either one of these two guys, but anytime there's something comes out that has to do with social media, usually I'm pretty interested in that. I've been building up my fan pages and my Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, all that kind of stuff. I've been doing all that kind of thing, so I'd be interested in something like this. But just to let you know, I've been marketing online since 2002, 2003, somewhere in there, and I made a little money here and there, and this and that and the other thing, but not really much to brag about, But recently I found something that's really good. I'll tell you about that in a minute. But Fan Page Cash Flow comes out January 30th. If you're interested in buying this, I can't recommend it. I can't tell you not to, or like I say, there's not much to tell. It hasn't come out yet, and the sales page is not ready, so there's nothing really to look at or talk about. But anyway, I do want to tell you. I've been marketing online, like I say, for a while, and I've not made a lot of money until recently. I've been working on Online Profit for Dummies, and it's been something that's really working for me pretty good. And I just want to let you know about it. If you struggle online like I have, you spend a lot of money on products here and there, and I spent so much money on stuff that, man, I was going to the poorhouse. And I just got tired of it. After a while, I said, heck with this, and I finally found something that's really working for me and making some money at now. And it's so simple, anybody can do it. And it doesn't cost you anything to start this business. It's really free. So Online Profit for Dummies is something, no matter what experience level you are online, whether you've been marketing online a long time or you're just getting started. Online Profit for Dummies is something you can make money tonight, even if you get started right now. So go below this video, click that link, check it out, Online Profit for Dummies. It's really simple. If you need any help, let me know. I'm just on the other end of your computer. You give me a call, send me an email. So check out that link, okay? Danny Brown, out.